Hi, welcome to Quick and Simple. Today I'll show you how to add new font to your PC. So go to your browser and search for font download or just font. Here choose any site you want. I prefer Google Fonts. Now search for the font you like and let's say I like this one. Click download family. Open the file. And what is important, you have to extract it. Click extract, and as you can see there are some files. Sometimes it is just one file. So open new folder, click this PC, local disk, Windows, scroll down to fonts folder, and now drag all those fonts without this note. Drag this and put it there. After it's completed, you should reopen the app you were using to let the font load. Now you can close all that, and that's all. Thanks for watching.